Dutch Schultz, the notorious gangster who rose to power during the Prohibition era, met a violent and untimely end that continues to captivate the imagination of crime enthusiasts. Beyond his criminal activities, it was Schultz's final moments and enigmatic last words that added a mystique to his legacy. This video explores the circumstances surrounding Dutch Schultz's death and delves into the intriguing final words uttered by the infamous gangster. The Palace Chop House Assassination. On the evening of October 23, 1935, Dutch Schultz and several of his associates were having dinner at the Palace Chop House in Newark, New Jersey when gunmen opened fire on them. Schultz suffered multiple gunshot wounds, along with his comrades, Abe Landau and Otto Berman. Lingering between life and death. Despite sustaining life-threatening injuries, Schultz managed to survive the initial attack. This sparked both fear and curiosity as to what the notorious gangster might reveal while in this vulnerable state. The whispered final words. While lying critically wounded in his hospital bed, Dutch Schultz uttered a stream of seemingly incomprehensible and cryptic phrases as he slipped in and out of consciousness. These final words not only piqued the interest of investigators but also fueled speculation about hidden secrets and unfinished vendettas. Behind closed doors. Due to the nature of Schultz's whispered utterances, many speculated that he might reveal information about corrupt officials, rival gangsters, or undisclosed assets amassed during his criminal career. It was believed that he could potentially unveil the extent of corruption within law enforcement and government agencies. The ban on Schultz's final words. Authorities, concerned about what Schultz might disclose from his hospital bed, obtained a court order to prevent the public disclosure of his final words. The fear of shaking the foundations of the criminal underworld and exposing the potential breadth of corruption played a significant role in this decision. Incomplete revelation. Unfortunately, Dutch Schultz's life was cut short before he could fully share the secrets he carried. He succumbed to his injuries on October 24, 1935, a day after the assassination attempt. His final words remained forever locked within the confines of the hospital room. Speculations and interpretations. The anticipation and secrecy surrounding Schultz's final words sparked countless theories and interpretations. Some believed he held crucial information regarding unsolved crimes or hidden stashes of money. Others speculated that Schultz may have extended a final threat or passed on instructions to his associates. The legacy of Dutch Schultz. Schultz's last words were a strange stream of consciousness babble spoken in his hospital bed to police officers who attempted to calm him and question him for useful information. Although the police were unable to extract anything coherent from Schultz, his rambling was fully transcribed by a police stenographer. These include: "A boy has never wept, nor dashed 1,000 Kim. You can play jacks, and girls do that with a softball and do tricks with it. Oh, dog biscuit, and when he is happy he doesn't get snappy." While the exact content of Dutch Schultz's last words will forever remain a mystery, their existence continues to captivate the public's imagination. The enigma surrounding his death only adds to the lore and mythos surrounding the larger-than-life figure who operated within the shadows of organized crime. Conclusion. Dutch Schultz's death marked the end of a criminal career filled with violence, audacity, and intrigue. While his final words hinted at the potential revelation of hidden secrets, they remain forever shrouded in mystery. The allure of Dutch Schultz's enigmatic last words ensures that his legacy endures, leaving a lasting impact on the fascination with the Prohibition era and the criminal underworld.